Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Trade Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Trade Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of private exchange volume, so you can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money. Same thing with the trending downside of the equation, and of course, that still applies to the small, the mid, and the large cap spaces. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. I want you guys to see how NVDA pops up with a 125% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises, the stock jumps nearly 6% as a result, which for a $500 billion market cap is a massive move. Typically, only $8.7 billion of the stock is traded on day-by-day average. Today, it was nearly $11 billion, more than $2 billion extra from what it normally gets. That's why we track institutional-grade data, and that's why we use AI for both speed and transparency of the market space. You can see that at 8:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, our AI picks up on nearly 1.5 times the average amount of bullish pressure that's there. If you had done options on NVIDIA, triple-digit returns galore, lots of daily volume and open interest. Let's say, for example, you had done the $230 call option, and we're just going to stick with a 15-minute chart because we know it was identified in the pre-market. Options opened at about $1.20. At its max, it's about a 320% return. Now, we don't necessarily expect the absolute bottom and the absolute top. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until nearly noon Eastern Standard Time and you got out a little bit early and you were still at a double of your money. The whole purpose and the whole point is to get the information down here as opposed to hearing about it up here or over here and playing the chase game. And that way you have the profit to make. And it wasn't just NVIDIA. There were many other opportunities. We really only have time for maybe one or two more. So let's go ahead and take a look at the large cap space and let's find MongoDB. 167% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises, the stock jumps nearly 9% as a result. Again, speed and transparency are the name of the game. That's why institutional grade data is vastly superior to the common tools that retail traders typically tend to use. 8:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, more than 12 times the average amount of bullish pressure that's normally identified. If you go to the options chain on our system at tradealgo.com, you can go to MongoDB and see another list of comfortable triple-digit returns. Let's say, again, you had done the $230 call option, opened at about $1.80 at its max. That's another 300% return. And again, it's about getting access to the data early. Maybe you didn't even hop in until over here at 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You got out early, still a 100% return. To wrap things up, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at one opportunity from our small cap space, MARA, here at the top of the board with nearly a 17% increase in the performance of the stock because of nearly a 200% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So what our AI is seeing, again, I want to show you guys another example. Typically, only 96 million is traded on a daily basis. Today alone, it was 170 million. So our AI picks up on that right there at 8:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can actually see it was right next to NVIDIA. So the AI is going through all the stocks, all the private exchanges, all the trades, and it's identifying the best opportunities to do 98% of the heavy lifting for you. You have a nice list of triple-digit returns. Let's say, for example, you did the $6.50 call option. You can see over here, options are only like 15 cents, and at its max, it's 250%. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.